For everyone who wants to start working online in 2026 and feels completely confused about which field to begin with, I want to tell you that selling digital products is absolutely the perfect solution. It's literally the future. It doesn't cost you a single cent, not for designing, not for selling. And in this video, you're going to see with me how much a single, very simple digital product can actually make. If we look at this product on Etsy, we'll find that the seller is pricing it at about $1. And if we look just a little higher, we'll see that this product is getting sales at the exact moment I'm recording this video. And if we scroll down just a bit, we'll find that yes, it is a digital product. Let's go deeper and analyze this product accurately. We'll find that the seller earns 78 cents from every sale and receives 1,328 views on this product every single month, which is huge. He's making a lot of sales, and he has received nearly 30,000 views on this product. And if we scroll down a little further, we'll find that he used short keywords, and all the keywords he used have very high monthly searches. He also used the triple keywords technique to boost his sales. And we've already explained Etsy SEO in detail in that video. I'll leave it for you. You must watch it because it's one of the most important videos on my channel. And now, if we go back again to this product on Etsy, we'll find that its name is Dot Sticker Activity. And if we scroll down a little, we'll see that this product is made of only 5 pages. A very, very small number. You can easily create 50 pages for just $2 or $3 and compete with these sellers. And if we take a closer look at the images of this product, you'll notice that they're simply black and white drawings with some empty circles inside them. The child's only job is to place dot stickers inside these circles, which helps teach them how to move their hand with precision. And at the same time, they enjoy coloring these shapes in their free time. It really develops a lot of skills for them. And also, it's not necessary for the child to use dot stickers. They can use dot markers instead. These are also some additional pictures of the designs. Each page contains a black and white image with empty circles inside. Before we start designing this product super easily, if you're planning to dive into the world of selling digital products, whether on Etsy, Amazon, or your own store, I strongly recommend that you get my special bundle. This bundle honestly took us months of work to prepare so it could reach this level of quality. It contains around 80 books, each one with about 30 pages, and it includes every type of book you might need, even the exact product we're explaining in this video. You'll find multiple versions of it inside the bundle. You can resell these books, and you'll also receive all the Canva links, so you can edit them, redesign them however you like, or even combine them together, because everything was designed in the same style. This is a huge advantage you won't find in any other bundle. Over 7 years of experience in selling digital products is packed into this collection, so don't hesitate to get it. It will help you massively on your journey in the digital products business for years to come. You'll find it in the pinned comment. And so we don't make this video too long, my friends. We're going straight into Canva, and we'll start creating a new design with dimensions 8.5 by 11 inches. Then we'll head over to the Elements section. Let's design the first page using an apple image. I'm going to search for apple outline, then I'll enlarge the apple so it almost fills the entire page. After that, focus with me here. I'll press the letter C on the keyboard. Then go to the top toolbar and add a black outline with a thickness of 2 for this circle. After that, I'll change the circle's color from gray to white. And then all I have to do is adjust it a little, then duplicate it several times, and arrange the circles inside the apple until the whole apple is filled with them, just like this. I'm going to speed up this part of the video so it doesn't get too long. Your time is valuable, and it really matters to me. And now, after finishing the first page, you've seen for yourself that the image we created so easily is way better than the images we saw on Etsy earlier. To make the idea even clearer, let's design another page. I'll add a new page, then I'll search for example, Tree Outline. You'll find a lot of images. I'll choose this tree right here, enlarge it, and place it in the center of the page. Then I'll go back to the first Apple page and copy one of those circles. Just like before, I'll duplicate the circles several times and start arranging them inside the tree until it's filled neatly and evenly. I'll speed up this part as well. And after you finish designing your entire book, honestly, I believe a 50-page book made this way won't take you more than 1 hour. Imagine having such an amazing product ready in under an hour. And if you search for something like Animals Outline, you'll find hundreds of images you can use in your book. After we finish designing the entire book, we'll download it as a PDF file, and you already know how to sell it on Etsy or Amazon. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and drop a comment that encourages me. I'll see you soon in a new video. Goodbye!